Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to find Google images that are copyright free so that you can use them on YouTube or blogs or social media, whatever you need them for. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google, and then you're going to want to go to settings down here, click on that, and then you'll see advanced search, click on that. Here you can look for whatever you want. I'm just going to go fish, I guess, just for the sake of this video, something random. And then where it says usage rights, right here, you're gonna click on this and go free to use, share, or modify, even commercially, just to cover all of your bases, you know, just to be safe. Then go to advanced search, and then click on images. So, as you can see, these probably aren't like the best images, but it is because they are copyright free, which like it kind of sucks that you get like the crappy images. Although, you know, if you want to use Google Images, that's how you can do it without worrying about copyright. Although there are other websites that you can get pretty good stock photos for free, which is Pexels and Pixabay. I'll probably make videos about those more in depth later at some point. So yeah, that's about it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.